Alrighty, finally, part 4 of the syllabus video and an introduction video. What we're going to cover here in this final part are special accommodations, if you have them, academic integrity, and I have a few final thoughts to close it up with. So let's go ahead and proceed.
Accommodations for students with disabilities. Well, you can pause this and take a look at it. My guess is if you are a student with disabilities, you're already aware of these. You can pause, take a look, and read this and go to the site at your leisure. Academic integrity, yeah, again, there really is no question about it. You're all adults. And you play by the rules. There's no worries if you try to push the rules. Well, okay. Again, you can pause, read this, go to those links if you wish, and so on. Okay, before we ended up here, just a couple final thoughts to share with you. The first, again, if you're currently experiencing anticipated situation or experience an immediate and or unexpected situation that may affect your participation in this course, please see me at the earliest, and I mean earliest possible time. Now, what I have experienced in the past is students who have come to me in week 13 or 14 and they say, remember back during week 3 and I kind of disappeared from class. Well, I've had a blah blah this or that, and now I need to know what I can do to pass the course. Well, the only thing I will suggest is that you check your academic advisor about dropping the course. Again, I don't want details. I don't want specifics. But if something is going on, I mean, I should not be the first person to know, maybe not the second person to know, but certainly within a reasonable amount of time, please give me a heads up. Something's happening, something's going on, I may miss classes, whatever the case might be, we'll work out something. If I don't know what's going on in your life that may affect your participation grade in the class, and if you don't share that with me, I'm sorry, there's little, if anything, I can do about that. Okay? If you have questions about this, please let me know. The next thing is very simply a statement. Take ownership of your learning. Again, this is not a lectured course. This is what they call a flipped course. All of the stuff, if you wish, and I like to use the word stuff often, that is conducted in most traditional courses, i.e. lecturing, I don't do. Again, the reasoning is I find it boring, you find it boring, so instead of everyone being boring, we'll figure a different method. What you need to do is I'm flipping it. I'm basically taking all that lecture stuff. I'm putting it in videos. I'm putting it in readings, if you wish, on my YouTube channel, the BA200 YouTube channel. It is imperative, it is your ownership that you view these, that you take notes on these. Yes, I know College of Business students generally do not take notes. Why? I have no idea. But yeah, you need to take notes on this stuff and be prepared, because when you come into the classroom, again, no lecture, I'm questioning. I will pose questions. We'll start with the iClicker, a great way to start with questioning. We'll develop questions. Your answers may result in further questions. I'm practicing the Socratic method. I ask questions, you provide answers, and that's how you actually learn. Now, in essence, what's going to happen here is your readings, your viewings you are doing outside of the classroom is going to fill your head with, mush. Okay, a bunch of good stuff about managerial communication. But it's my probing that will turn that mush into something that makes sense for you. You will teach yourself how to write structure the processes of managerial communication. I will teach you how to think and appropriately apply those processes so you have effective communication. Okay? If you got questions on that, let me know. Finally, again, the syllabus, it's subject to change. Why? Because nothing's constant. Everything changes. Will there be significant changes? No. But in the past, there have been some minor tweaks here or there, but I don't really anticipate those. But just a heads up that this certainly could possibly happen. Anyways, folks, that's the end of the video series, if you wish, on the BA 200 course syllabus. You probably will need to now go and take a look at the BA 200 Blackboard site. I'm going to guess that I have already scheduled for you the reflection questions, and you need to have those completed by the due date and time that is mentioned in the Blackboard site. Take care. Looking forward to working with you this term. Bye now.